Prepare to embark on a flavor-packed journey with this detailed Aloo Tikki Burger recipe that brings together the best of Indian spices and the comfort of a classic burger. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and experience the perfect fusion of savory, spicy, and oh so satisfying flavors. The star of this recipe is the Aloo Tikki, a delightful potato patty that is packed with a medley of aromatic spices. Start by boiling and mashing potatoes until they are soft and fluffy. To enhance the flavors, mix in a blend of spices like cumin, coriander, red chili powder, and garam masala. Feel free to adjust the spice levels according to your taste preferences. Shape the mixture into patties and pan-fry them until golden brown and crispy on the outside, while still maintaining their softness inside. Now, it's time to assemble the Aloo Tikki Burger. Begin with a burger bun of your choice. You can lightly toast the buns for added texture and flavor. On the bottom half of the bun, spread a layer of tangy and refreshing mint chutney or tamarind chutney. These chutneys add a burst of flavors that perfectly complement the spiced Aloo Tikki. Place the hot and crispy Aloo Tikki on top of the chutney, followed by slices of juicy tomatoes, crisp lettuce leaves, and thinly sliced onions. You can also add a slice of cheese for a melty and indulgent touch. Finally, crown your creation with the top half of the bun. With each bite of this Aloo Tikki burger, you'll experience a harmony of flavors and textures. The combination of the spiced Aloo Tikki with the coolness of the chutneys and the crunchiness of the vegetables creates a taste sensation that will leave you wanting more. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, planning a family dinner, or simply craving a delicious burger with an Indian twist, this Aloo Tikki Burger recipe is a must-try. It's a delightful fusion of two beloved cuisines, showcasing the versatility and richness of Indian spices in a familiar and comforting format. So, put on your apron, gather the ingredients, and get ready to create a burger experience like no other. Serve these mouth-watering Aloo Tikki burgers to your family and friends and watch their faces light up with delight. Get ready to savor the bold flavors, the perfect balance of spices, and the sheer joy of biting into a delicious Aloo Tikki burger that will transport you to a world of culinary bliss. Tags: Aloo Tikki Burger recipe, Indian burger, spiced potato patty, fusion of flavors, tangy chutneys, fresh vegetables, savory and satisfying, Indian spice blend, culinary adventure, Indian fusion cuisine, burger with an Indian twist.